finally made it. We're at the beach club. About to check in. We're so excited to be here. So it is incredibly crowded and we checked in at 2. My husband did anyway. And our room still isn't ready. It's after 4 o'clock. So we're getting tired and we want to get in our room so we can get in our bathing suits and go to the pool with our friends, right? You ready for some pool time? Yeah. Yeah, me too. Hopefully soon. Goofy's here at the beach club. Oh my gosh. Madison, do it. Goofy! Goofy! Woo! I'm like so excited. I'm like a 5-year-old. Oh my gosh! It's Goofy! Hi! You say hi to me. Pluto's here too. This is so exciting. I've never seen characters at the beach club. I'm gonna wave. Is he gonna wave? Look! Wait, wave to me, Pluto. I'm waving. He's not even.
Goofy's waving.
Oh. I don't think he even sees me. Pluto! Hi! Is he waving? He's waving in the wrong direction. He's confused. There he goes. He finally is waving.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey guys, so I am like really a hot mess right now. I just got out of the pool. It took us a while to check in. It was very frustrating because we had like all of our stuff and I had like my work bag and my laptop and all of these things. And we were pretty confident we would not have to wait too long to get into our room. But we had to wait quite a while. It was like an hour after check-in, we finally got our room and we were just sitting out by the pool, but we couldn't go in the pool because we had all of our stuff. So that was a little challenging and frustrating, but we are now in the room and I'm just waiting for our luggage to come because it is being transferred from the Animal Kingdom Lodge and it's here. So waiting for that. We are ordering dinner from the beach marketplace, which is just like a quick service place. So we can just get boxes of food to go because we really didn't have any dinner plans tonight. We anticipated going to Disney Springs tonight, but on a Saturday night, just like going by the crowd level here right now, I just don't want to do Disney Springs. It's going to be way too much. So we're waiting for that. I'll show you guys the room quickly, but I'm not going to do like an official room tour because I have already done that in the past at the beach club and we've already kind of like gotten settled. So it's a little bit messy and I just don't feel right trying to do like a legit room tour. So I'll show you guys around quick. While I'm waiting for the luggage, I'm just going to rinse off, change, and go grab some dinner. First walk in, there's a little kitchen area here which has a refrigerator and a microwave and garbage cans underneath here, and then we have probably some dishes up here, just like some disposable dishes, and then over here is just like the bathroom area. Nothing compared to the Animal Kingdom Lodge where we just were. And then here is the vanity area, and over here we have some closet space, I'm assuming, but there we go. We have some closet space with extra pillows and blankets and things. And then coming through this way, there is a bed here. A bed pulls out of the couch, and then this will also flip into a bed. So we have a few bed options, and then over here is just a little coffee table, some storage in here, which is nice. I really appreciate storage. I noticed this bed doesn't have like storage space underneath. I like it when the beds are kind of up high and you can shove all of your luggage underneath. So I'm not quite sure yet where we're going to put all of our luggage, but we'll figure it out. But that is the whole room. And then over here we have the balcony. We're on the first floor. So we just have this little sitting area out here with like a garden view, which is really nice. I like to sit out here in the morning. It's so hot and humid right now, and it's been raining on and off, so the weather isn't wonderful, but that is our room this year at the beach club. I really like the theming, very beachy and really cute, and I'm excited for a fun week in Disney.
Good morning, guys. Here's the view from our room. I'm just sitting
on the patio area, and we are headed to the Magic Kingdom. So it opens at 8 today. Transportation doesn't start until 7. So, and also you cannot get coffee or anything to eat until 7 o'clock. So I think we're gonna grab some coffee. We took a car, so we're gonna get in the car and head over to the Magic Kingdom. I'm excited to start our very first day here in Disney. You can see the moon is still out up there. Good morning, Madison.
Good morning.
Are you excited for Disney Day 1?
Yes.
Yeah? What are we doing today?
We are going to Magic Kingdom.
And what's our first ride?
Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Nope.
Space Mountain.
Yeah?
Yay!
That's your favorite, right? You look cute. So we're just waiting to get some coffee and we will be on our way.
And I didn't forget my magic band.
Yay! Perfect. All right, off to the Magic Kingdom. The castle! You guys excited? Huh? You excited?
I love rides.
I cannot hear you.
Run up your white flag, you scurvy scum, and bring me Captain Jack Sparrow.
Hey Madison, did you have a good first day at the Magic Kingdom?
Yes.
You ready to go swimming? Get some ice cream? All right. Hey guys, what a fun-filled day at the Magic Kingdom. We could not have asked for a better day. So we got there a little bit before 8 o'clock in the morning and they opened at 8. And I had a full itinerary, as you guys already know if you've been following my videos. And we pretty much got everything done. Finished up by like 2 o'clock, came back to the hotel. We just spent time swimming in the pool with our friends, went to Hurricane Hannah's, had a pina colada and a snack, and everything, knock on wood, is really going great. So now I'm just going to shower quick because we're going to walk over to Epcot and get something for dinner. Not sure what, we're kind of just totally winging it tonight. We did that last night. We just decided to get counter service and hang out at the hotel. So this is the first time I am doing this on a vacation. Usually I have dining booked every single night, and I have to say I love not being like stressed out that I have to be someplace at a certain time. Although dining can be tricky, especially now, so I still recommend booking most of your dining in advance, but having a couple of days where you're just kind of like winging it really isn't the worst thing in the world. I'm actually rather enjoying it. So, great day at the Magic Kingdom. We're gonna head over to Epcot now to have some dinner with friends, and yeah, it's going really, really well. So I'm really, really glad I was able to get everything accomplished on my list. I just love being able to see all of the things because everything here is so amazing, and especially when you're traveling with people who have never been to Disney before. Of course, I had a list of like all of the must-dos. So we got them all accomplished, which felt great. And now I'm gonna shower and get ready for Epcot. Okay, we're headed to dinner and I'm trying to figure out like, what do I do with my hair? Am I just gonna leave it like this and hope it doesn't get like too frizzy and crazy, or try to straighten it again? Because you know what? The straightening iron is just not working for me in the Florida humidity. It's been rough. So I don't know, this is gonna be like a constant dilemma. It's not bad when just like the ends curl a little bit, but once I'm outside for a period of time or it rains, it starts to like grow really big and horrible. not quite sure what to do. But we're gonna go grab some dinner. I'm excited for a fun night in Epcot. Tomorrow is the Animal Kingdom. So lots of good things ahead this week.
They keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. They keep